Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fan Cave. It's 2:28 p.m., March 15th, 2017. What I have today is a Hampton Bay Carousel II. I obtained this fan actually on the side of the road in the trash. Somebody was throwing it away, and had the original box. One set of blades. White and wood set of blades, hasn't even been opened yet. And this fan actually did come. It's one of the more versatile fans there are. It comes with, it did come with two sets of blades. One has the pastel, it's reversible with the primary colors on the other side. We'll see those later. And this one is, the light wood with the white reversible, for when, little Johnny grows up and, doesn't want a colored fan in his room anymore. He can, just use the white and wood blades. I guess these people didn't get that message and uninstall the whole thing. So, anyway, without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. It has the three bulb light fixture, and starts off on high. Yeah, kind of a funny story. I had, you may have seen my previous video of the Encon crayon fan that was also multicolored. I sold that on eBay, and I delivered it. It was, whatever it was, 150 miles or something each way, but, that's what the shipping cost is for anyway, so I figured I'd just deliver it myself. But what I did was I came back that afternoon, and I'm driving along, and about a mile from my house there was this fan was just sitting there on the side of the road, and in the trash, in a pile. There was a light next to it too, but I didn't go for the light. I just said, it was a big tit light, and just a shade, actually. I don't think the light was even in there. It may have been, but I said, yeah, I can pass up lights, but fans I take. So I sold one multicolored fan and got another, and got this multicolored fan, and I'm actually going to give this to my buddy E-Man Fan on here on YouTube. So you'll probably see this fan again, most likely upside down. So we're at fast. Slow it down to medium. And low.